Hi guys, this is Pelek from simplepagetips.com. In this video I'm going to review the new course by Kevin Fay, List Building and Email Marketing Masterclass. I bought this course yesterday. It took me about 24 hours to finish it. It's not that long, it's just about 3 hours, something like that. But life. I want in this tutorial to talk about some of the lessons inside the program, and by the end of this video I'm going to share something that I can recommend it for you to buy, okay? So you start here with the List Building Masterclass. This is the introduction. Later on you jump to lesson number 2. Pay attention, most of the lessons between 5 to 10 minutes. There are one lesson that is more than 20 minutes and some a little bit around the 12, 14 minutes. But most of them between 5 to 10 minutes. So it's not a big deal. So actually, because you have your 27 lessons, so it's not that bad. Really in 1-2 days you can finish it and write notes to yourself, and I'm going to talk a little bit about the lessons that you can see right here. So lesson number 2 is understanding what an opt-in page is, and I give also a few tips about how you can build your email list. Lesson number 3, the different types of opt-in page. You talk about the difference between home page and squeeze page, and he also show us in his page builder this kind of a page and what this page done for him. Lesson number 4, creating your first opt-in page. He talks about the secret word, what you should put inside your opt-in page, and also in your call to action button. Lesson number 5, we talk about a little bit the angles and the hooks inside there, and also a few tips about making the right opt-in page that will fit to your ad that you put inside Facebook, for example. Lesson number 6, we talk about split testing inside your opt-in pages, and how you can do it and how you need to do it correct. Lesson number 7, creating the perfect download page. Kevin talks a little bit the importance of the download page, how we can build it correctly, and what we can put inside it going to help us to increase our subscribers. Number 8, he talks about the first follow-up email that you need to send, what you need to write inside, how much percent you need to expect for people to open it, how to write the correct way an email, and no, it's not straight from your autoresponder. Lesson number 9, creating the perfect follow-ups email series. He talk about a little bit of our customers' journey, on their journey in the affiliate marketing, and how to build everything in the correct way. And in the next few lessons, he talk about how to grow your list with your Facebook profile, fan pages, Facebook groups, YouTube, banners, TikTok, webinars, product launches. So guys, this is my review about list building and email marketing masterclass. So if you decide to buy the list building and email marketing, so you're going to have 4 OTOs that includes the affiliate funnels and the internet marketing VIP training and his membership site, internet marketing checklist. You can watch it. I was a member once sometime in the past. It's really great content, but now I'm too much put my work on my dropshipping site, so I didn't choose any of the OTOs, okay? So about the OTOs, this is your decision after you watch what he offered to you guys, okay? So for conclusion, I think that Kevin Fay is a great teacher, and the course is a crazy amount of high quality content. The tutorials video are great for learning, and the material is easy to understand. This is a great course for anyone who wants to learn how to build a list. I must say that Kevin does an incredible job of explaining the ins and the outs of building a list, which sometimes can be confusing to even the most seasoned email marketers. That's it for now. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. If you're not a subscriber, I cannot notify you when I release a new video. Also, if you don't want to miss Kevin's course, make sure to click at the link in the description below to get access to this course. Thank you and have a great evening. Bye bye.